It's a beautiful day. It's been really hot all day and we've been cooped up inside, so I thought what better time than right now to come out, take the dogs out for a walk. I'm hoping to collect some driftwood and seashells for a few projects for both the bus and Christmas time, so let's go and do that. Oh, I love Pig Face. Before I moved to the country, I used to hate Banksia trees, and since we've moved out here, they have very quickly become one of my favorites. As well as bottlebrush. I do love bottlebrush. The flower is very interesting. Okay. Lovely. Nope. For those of you who have never experienced driftwood before or aren't sure what it is, it's essentially wood that has gone through water so many times that every single living cell and being of the wood is completely gone. It's super light, literally as light as a feather. It's essentially dead unless any creatures are inside. But the fact that it's super light makes it a great thing to build with on the bus and to add beautiful wood details. One, because the color is beautiful, and two, because it is light and it's not going to take any weight on the bus. That's so cool. It's like an actual hut.
Let's touch it. Let's touch it. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, let's touch. Touch, touch. Come on. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Good boy.
Oh, good boy. Come touch the water. Come on. I got so much driftwood and I'm excited to show you guys the projects I have in mind with this. Stick. That's good. Next level. Okay. This one. This one could probably go instead of that one. Instead of that one. Maybe. I think it's obvious this way. Anything? It's going to be our bus Christmas tree. I'm so excited. I've always wanted a driftwood tree. I always imagined it as a 3D tree, but I'm really excited to make a wall hanging tree made from driftwood and decorate it with seashells and just beautiful garlands made from macrame and from yarn, and I'm so excited for this Christmas. It's way too early to start thinking about Christmas yet, but I don't care. I love Christmas. So now that I have my little Christmas tree sorted, I can finally crochet a garland. And I'm going to crochet one because it's just going to be easier, and I think it's just going to look really nice and simple. So just lots and lots of chains right now is all I'm doing, while cuddling all my dogs. There's a lot of them.
CO2 canister into place. Add your ingredients directly to the bottom. For maximum fizz, use chilled liquids. A funnel and seal.
I'll go that. That was really easy. All my holes drilled out, and like that was really quite easy to do. It looks really lovely. So now I'm just going to thread through the string, tie it at the bottom, and then do the same for each one so that it stays in place. I only need to do the top of this one in particular. For all the others, I think it should be fine to only have the string at the bottom. So let's hope threading this through will be easy. I think I found last year that by twisting it in, it kind of fed itself in a lot better. So that's what I'm attempting to do now. Okay, and then pull. Always do things once and it's easier the second time. Okay, and then okay, there's the first one. Alright, you guys, it is all done. How good is it? And this is the star for the top. So I can put them together like that. I mean, I don't know if you can see the top there. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. What do you think, Eris?